Welcome back to Stuff About Tutorial. Today we are talking about how to enable dark mode on Facebook. Why would you want to know how to enable dark mode on Facebook? Well, maybe it is your first time using Facebook and not sure how to enable dark mode on Facebook. So today I am going to show you how to enable dark mode on Facebook. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Enabling dark mode on Facebook is quite simple and easy to do, and the process is same for Android and iOS devices. Let me show how you will enable dark mode on Facebook. First of all, open Facebook app in your device and then first click on three lines in the right top corner. And now scroll down to the bottom of this screen and then click on settings and privacy. And now click on dark mode, and then for enabling dark mode on Facebook, click on and your dark mode has been enabled on Facebook. So there you go. If you were wondering how to enable dark mode on Facebook, that is the easiest way I know. If you know another way, please leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.